So here's the LokSound 5 direct decoder I have installed on my Athearn SD70MAC. A little hard to see some of it, but fit perfectly. The speaker is not the one that came with it. I have a Soundtrax SureCube speaker in it, and I only have the track wire wired up. I have one wire for the motor disconnected because I'll start it up so you can hear the sound without it moving, and the lights are in the shell, so I don't have those hooked up yet. So we'll start it up here. There's the bell. Horn. So now we'll rev it up. Now we'll go back down. I don't have any settings changed. This is just with the sound installed to it, and just these wires on. I used a little clear RTV silicone to hold the speaker in place so I can move it if I need to. No, shut it off. So you have your auxiliary 1 and 2 here, and those are set for the ditch lights, so I'll wire those in. And then you have your auxiliary 3 and 4 here. You got 2 power pads here. And then you have your front light pads and rear light pads over here. So I'll show you the lights that I use. So for the front, usually I do just surface mount, but I had some of these Miniatronics yellow glow lights left. I use these for Atlas, and it worked. So I put shrink wrap tubing around it, and use my 2 fiber optic ends here, and I just tapered the ends and I just heat shrink them to it. Works simple. Easy as pie. And for the ditch lights, might be hard to see this. So it's a number 603. surface mount. I just soldered the wires to it and it fit right in where the original ditch lights went. And we'll take a closer look here. And it's 1.5 millimeter fiber optic cable. So now I'll get everything wired up, soldered on, get the shell on, and then we'll take it for a spin and see how the lights look. So here's everything wired up. I added a 270 ohm resistor for the ditch lights on top of the 2.2K ohm resistor in the decoder, just to lower the brightness of the ditch lights. See the light in the back. And the lights go up through the cab. There. And of course the ditch lights. There. Get the shell on, see how it goes. Alright, so I got the lights on, and we'll get the horn going and watch the ditch lights. So the ditch lights are synced to 1 and 2. And then we'll go to the back. Those lights are working too. Thanks everyone for watching. If you made it to the end, thank you. I appreciate it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. I'll read them, respond to you. Yeah, if there's anything else anybody else would like me to cover on my layout or anything, just let me know.